Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to unlock domain on Godaddy. So if your domain has been locked and you want to unlock it, here's what you should do. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Godaddy account, and then the next thing I'd like you to do is to, of course, create a Godaddy account. And how do you do that? First off, launch in the browser of your choice, and then at the top corner of your browser, you're going to find the search bar. In the search bar, type godaddy.com, and it's going to take you into the Godaddy website. Now, from the website, at the top right corner, you're going to find sign up. Click on sign up and follow through with the on-screen processes to create an account, which is self-explanatory. Now, you'll be asked to either create an account manually or automatically using Facebook, Google, or Apple. Now, whichever one is most convenient for you, just select the option and create your account. And once you do, it's going to take you to the GoDaddy official homepage. This is not the homepage. Now, from the homepage, check the top right corner. Head over to the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find your profile name. Click on the profile name and you're going to see an extended menu. Now, from that menu, you're going to see My Products. Click on My Products and it's going to take you to this page, staring at you in the face. This is My Product page. Now for me, let's hop into today's steps, which is how to unlock domain on GoDaddy. From My Product page, scroll the way down till you find domain. Now here it says, I do not have a domain yet, so that's it. So if you have a domain, you're definitely going to find your domain under here. And just right beside it, you're going to see the Manage button. Go ahead and click Manage for the exact domain that you want to unlock. And once you click on that Manage, it's going to take you to a fresh window. A new window. All right, and then in that window, scroll all the way down to the bottom of that page. You're gonna see domain lock. All right, it says locking prevents unauthorized something, which is gonna be, and then just right under it, you're gonna see domain lock. Now just right beside domain lock, you're gonna see domain lock colon, you're gonna see on, and you're gonna see a box that says edit. So once you go ahead and click on edit, you're gonna see the toggle. So if you toggle it on, it's going to be on. If you toggle it off, then it's going to be off. And then your domain lock will be off, meaning it's going to be unlocked. So that's pretty much the process. Just toggle it off for it to turn off. And that way, your domain will be unlocked. It's pretty much simple. And I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.